Welcome to this meditation. Take a moment to settle in and find a comfortable position. Close your eyes, relax your body, and allow your breath to be natural. This space is for you, a moment to reclaim your peace and grounded presence. Today we'll take a journey toward stillness, allowing the thoughts and distractions to pass by without judgment. Let's begin with a few rounds of breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs. Hold at the top. And then exhale slowly, releasing tension from your body. Inhale again, slow and steady. Hold. Exhale, letting go of any remaining stress. Repeat this a few more times at your own pace, allowing your breath to bring you into this present moment. Just deep, slow breaths, trying to slow down more and more as you go. Nice and slow, feeling the air filling your lungs. Just one more minute and we will move on. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Feel the points of contact where your body meets the surface you're sitting or lying on. Notice how the ground supports you. Is there any tension anywhere in your body? Perhaps in your shoulders, jaw, or legs? Gently breathe into those areas, allowing them to soften and release. take your time, checking in with your body, letting each breath carry you deeper into relaxation. If you find any tightness, simply acknowledge it and breathe into it, inviting it to soften. Now let's turn inward. Notice the thoughts that are passing through your mind. Don't try to change them or judge them. Just notice. Imagine each thought as a cloud drifting across the sky of your mind. Some clouds may seem large or dark, while others are light and airy. Just let them float by. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer of them. Allow this mental space to be peaceful and uncluttered, a space where you can just be. Now turn your attention to your emotions. How are you feeling right now? Don't try to change or suppress any feelings. Allow yourself to feel whatever comes up. Notice the sensations in your body as they arise. Are you feeling calm, anxious, happy, or perhaps something else? Give yourself permission to simply experience your emotions without any attachment or resistance. This is your moment to simply be present with yourself. Let's now go deeper. Imagine you are standing in a vast, peaceful landscape. There is a gentle breeze and you can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Look around. Notice the colors. the textures, the stillness of this place. You are here, in this space of calm and tranquility. As you stand in this peaceful landscape, know that you are connected to something greater than yourself. You are part of the flow of life, the pulse of the universe, and you are whole and complete just as you are. Take a few moments to allow this feeling of connection to fill you completely. Know that you are supported by the world around you. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room, noticing the sounds around you. Start by moving your feet. Now move your arms. Move your hands. Now nod your head. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs. And as you exhale, let go of anything that no longer serves you. Know that this peace, this stillness, is always available to you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this calm with you into the rest of your day. You are grounded, centered, and at peace. Thank you for being here and for taking this time for yourself.